Business leaders who know how to sell don't need a job. Come to the Money Tree workshop on B2B selling and build your business. So have you noticed that business leaders who know how to sell are in demand? You'll very rarely find one of those people who's unemployed. And if they are unemployed, they're not unemployed for very long. People who know how to sell are also in demand, and you'll very rarely find those people unemployed either. And the common factor between those two groups is they know how to sell. You see, they don't actually need a job. What they do is they go to the money tree, they give it a bit of a shake, and they collect the cash which falls out. My name is Steve Wood. I'm a management consultant. I've been doing this sort of thing for a little while. And I have created a workshop called the Business to Business Sales Workshop. It's the money tree. What it does is it helps business leaders to uncover real value for their customers. It helps them to know how and when to raise their prices and how to avoid being pulled down the lowest price route. It also helps them to think through and avoid the time wasters, the tire kickers, and the intellectual property thieves who want to take your ideas and then not pay you. That's not a good plan, and there's no profit in free. If you happen to be the business leader in charge of growing the business and winning more sales, then this workshop will help you and your team to define what you need to do to plan and build your sales process. So there's a number of formats which are available, two actually. The first is for a Zoom session, 2 hours every week for 4 weeks. And the second version, the second option is to do it face to face in a one-day session in a room in Melbourne. The choice is completely up to you. All the details you'll find on the sign-up sheet, which is below once this video is finished, and just pick the one that you like. Now, before I let you go, I'd like you to imagine this. I'd like you to imagine that you're totally comfortable, totally calm, totally collected. You're dealing with your customer and things are going along really nicely. And not only that, you're totally calm, collected, comfortable, and you're being paid for the value that you bring rather than the dollars per hour. That's what I've created. That's what this program's all about. So sign up now for your choice of workshop, and you too can become and create your own roaring success.